Hello guys, Islam Konde here, and in today's class we'll be talking about jQuery. We'll be dealing about jQuery UI and how to play around with some fancy stuff like dragging stuff around, resizing some stuff, maybe sorting some stuff, and trying to create some scrolling features. Okay, first of all, what I'll have to do here is go to my HTML document, and this is the one that we've been using for the past few days. I'll come on top here and show you where I've referred my external jQuery UI. I'll go here. This is the one, jQuery UI.css, and there's another one here, jQuery UI.js, and this one you can link it to the CDN, or what you can do is simply download it from their website and use it locally. Okay, let me first come here at the bottom and write some JavaScript. What I want to achieve here first, I want to drag this video here. This video here, I want to drag it around here. Okay, you can achieve this using jQuery UI by writing these codes. Just come here, typically the way you write jQuery, and target the video. In my case, my video has got an ID of 2. If I go on top here, let me show you my video. These are the videos, or the video that you can see on this website, and the second one has got this ID here, this one, and I'll come down here and target it, and I've targeted it. If you want first, what you can do is simply create a function. Before you do that, simply write function and your bracket, then your curly bracket, and come with another curly bracket here at the bottom. Okay, and then you can say dot draggable. You're trying to make it draggable. Okay, there we go, and we try to put a single bracket there and some semicolons, and let's save this and preview in our web browser. Let's refresh and try to drag this one. Can you see? We're able to drag it around. That's how you can drag stuff around using jQuery UI. Can you see? We're able to play around with this video and dragging it whenever we want to drag it. Can you see that? Put it there, come here, put it back here. Okay, now what I'll do, this is about dragging this stuff around. You can do it to any element here. You can come to this paragraph, you can come to this video, other video, you can come to this click button. It will all work. Okay, what I want to do here now is try to resize this paragraph here. Okay, I'll come here as well. I'll write another function. I'll simply say function, add the function here, and this function, I'll target the second paragraph. It's got an ID of second paragraph, this one, that is the ID, and I'll say resizable. Okay, semicolons, don't forget anything. Semicolons, very important. You forget, it doesn't work. Okay, second paragraph, resizable. That's it. You can get some tab there, and let me save this. Come here, refresh. Okay, if you come here, you see that it's giving you some handles. Can you see? I'm able to resize it now. Can you see that? Able to resize it. Can come this side, able to resize it. Can you see that? I'm able to resize it. Can you see? I can move it around. Okay, now what I can do, if you come this side, you see that it doesn't give you handles on top here. And if you come on the left side, it doesn't give you handles as well. Can you see? I don't get handles if I go on top and on the right side. Okay, what I'll do, I'll come down here and come in here and give in some handles. What you can do is simply show you, put in some curly brackets and create in some handles so that everywhere you go, you should be able to be resizable. And I'll simply say north, then south, then west, then east. Okay, let me try to save that and go back here, refresh as well. And if I go here on top, you can see I've got now the handles. Can you see? I can resize from the top as well. If you see there, I can resize from the top. And let's check from the side as well. This side as well. Can you see that? We can do that as well. Okay, now what we'll do here is we can resize even the corners as well. We can come in the corners here, these corners. But if you come in the corners now, it will not show us anything. But if you come here as well, we can come here and light northwest, then southwest, then we can say northeast, then southeast as well. Okay, try to save that. Try to come here, refresh your web page. And if you come here on the, you see on the corners there, it's able to resize from the corners. Can you see those handles there are coming on the corners because I did put the corner there, the corner handles. Can you see there? There we go. Can you see? And you can go anywhere, even this side as well. It should be able to give you. Can you see that? Can you see? I'm able to resize it. Okay. Now you can do anything to that one. You can make it resizable. You can come it here as well and make it draggable. You can come here and chain it. That's what we call chaining, and say draggable. So that should be able to draggable. Put in your plugin there and try to save that. Come here, refresh. Let's try to drag it. Can you see? We're able to drag it. You can resize it and drag it as well. Drag it. Can you see that? Drag it. I'm able to drag it around. Can you see that? Okay, that's done. Let's try to achieve another thing. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to create some list so that I should show you guys how to sort them out, how you can sort some stuff on the web page. Okay, what I'll do here is go to my web page as well and maybe possibly create some list here I was trying to create there, and I'll simply create some URL. There we go, and come up with list. There we go, and let me just try to copy this and paste it a few times. Okay, I'll simply say copy and enter that. Control V, enter, Control V, enter, and Control V, Control V, enter, Control V. Okay, I think that should be enough. I'll put here 1, then on the second one should be 2. You can put anything. Hope you understand there. Then I'll say 3, create 4 there. I create 5. Okay, I'll give this one an ID. I'll give it an ID so that I should be able to differentiate it. I'll say list, and let me save this if it can see it in the web browser. Okay, should be having it here. There we've got it, and it's having the background of white, as you can see. Okay, now I want to be able to sort this stuff around. What will I do? I have an ID already for this IDs, and what I'll do, I'll come here and write another function. I'll simply say function, that is function, and try to come up with that. Okay, that's the second function, and some curly brackets. Then I'll target the list, $, as hashtag for the list ID. Simply give it a list, and I'll say sortable. Should be able to sort it, and come at the bottom here. Forget. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let me try to save this. Come to my web page, refresh it, and let's try to sort this one out. Can you see? I'm able to move around the stuff, able to sort it. I can take the first one, put at the bottom. Can you see? I can take the second one, put from the second from the bottom. Can you see that? I can move it anywhere. You see? But even if I come this side, I can still move it. But let's take you don't want to move it maybe vertically or horizontally. You want to just to keep it moving it in the y-axis, just like that. Okay, what you can do, because now you're trying to move it anywhere, it's unnecessary to move it stuff just like that. Okay, let's create something so that we're able to move it in the y-axis only. I'll come here in my Sublime Text and go here, put my curly brackets and say axis. Then I'll simply say y. Okay, let me save this and go to my web browser, refresh this, and try to move it this side. Can you see? I can't move it to the x-axis. Can't you see? I only able to move around here. I hope you can see there. In the y-axis only, not x-axis. Can you see that? That's it. That's how you can sort stuff around. You can make it. Okay. I'll also show you guys some simple HTML5 stuff. I'll show you how you can edit this one. This text here, how you can edit. Let me put the first one so that maybe I should be able to edit the first one. Okay. I'll come here and target the first paragraph, which is here. I'll just go direct to the paragraph because this is just HTML, and come here. This is the paragraph, and write in content editable. That's how you write it, content editable. And here you put it true. By default is false, but if you put true, you should be able to give the user the ability to write what they want in the refresh. And if I come in here, I can write something. Can you see that? Can see I'm able to write anything I want there. Can you see? Because I said editable. But if I try to put it false, it will not be able to write anything. Can you see? I can even delete everything here. Can you see that? Can you see? There. That. Okay. That's it. And in case maybe possibly you want to scroll the stuff, maybe there is a lot of some of the text is overflowing here. Let me go for the second paragraph now and just go to the CSS. Just go to the CSS and style.css. Here I've got it, and go to the second paragraph and come here. If you see here for the first time, there's nothing here. But if I come here and go to the second paragraph and just say overflow and put possibly equal to scroll and try to save this and come here, refresh. Can you see? There is these handles here. Can you see that? Let me try to reduce this one. Try to resize this one. Resize it, but I should have resized it too much. Come a bit down. Just bear with me. There we did. Okay, let me just try to refresh this so that you can see properly. Okay, what I'm trying to do here is just let me try to resize a bit this one, because I want to show you what is happening. Okay, I've reduced it. Now if I come here, I will be able to lead anything that I don't see. Can you see that it's able to move around? That's what I wanted to show you. Can you see? I'm able to move around there. Can you see that? Those are the stuff that you can play around. I've shown you how to drag the stuff around. As you can see, I'm able to drag this video around. How to sort the stuff around here. Can you see that? How to try to resize the stuff and like that. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to play around with the accordion, how to play around with menus, tabs, and also maybe tooltips. I'll show all those kind of stuff. Thank you for joining my class. This is Lamos Nkonde. Thank you.